The sin of abortion is a fruit from the root, a root that started in 1962 when the Supreme Court told God, we don't want you around our children. We're kicking you out of our schools. We don't want you. This route continued in 1963 when the Supreme Court told you we don't want them to know your word. Know your word. This route grew in 1980 when the Supreme Court kicked out your commandments from our schools. Took you from our schools. Repair the breach, Lord. We renounce these illegitimate cases of Engle v. Vitale, of Abington v. Shempp. Repair the breach, Lord. We renounce the case of Stone v. Graham. Be our God in this nation once again. Forgive our sin, Lord, for not speaking out, for being silent when we should have raised a shout. Forgive our Supreme Court for not standing for you. Total dependence on you was what our founding fathers knew. Our children, bring your truth and light, Lord. Deliver us from sin. Yours is the kingdom that will never end. Repair the breach. Repair the breach. Restore Restore your word, your commandments to restore prayer in our schools. Restore your word, your commandments to repair the breach, repair. Repair the breach, Lord. We renounce these illegitimate cases of Engle v. Vitale, of Abington v. Shempp. Repair the breach, Lord. We renounce the case of Stone v. Graham. Be our God in this nation once again. Once again, oh, be our God in America. again.